All right, let's take a look at this PCCB setup. Got 50,000 miles on the car. The brake pads are about 3,000 miles of use. You can see the pads there. I have not seen this much brake dust accumulate on the wheels before. Granted, let's see. It is a pretty fine dust. It does feel like brake dust. It just comes right off. This is after 3 track days since the new pads. These rotors have had 5 track days in the last 5,000 miles. So I'm going to be taking a look at this and monitoring it a little more closely. But you know what? If the rotor's got to go and replaced with steel, I'm okay with that.